Hi, and welcome back. Our goal in this lesson would be to describe the two main P&L formats you will find in the financial world. Depending on the industry, there can be different variations of these formats, but the generic distinction we can make is there are two P&L formats, single and multi-step. A single-step P&L looks in this way. We say it is a single step because there are no intermediary results, such as gross profit, operating income, and so on. It simply subtracts total revenues from total costs and gives us net income. The other option allows us to see the difference between revenues and COGS, gross profit. It shows us operating income, which is not affected by items like interest expenses and extraordinary items. Most businesses prefer using this format, as it is much more user-friendly and easy to read. Okay, that's pretty much it about the two P&L formats we can use. Starting from our next lesson, we'll deal with the different balance sheet items and the way they are recognized in the balance sheet. Keep up the good work, and thanks for watching.